So for this recipe, you're gonna need a cucumber, feta cheese, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, garlic, salt and pepper if you want it, a ripe avocado, radishes. So, alright YouTube, let's get right back into the video. So I'm back in my kitchen. I'm gonna get a bowl to make this cucumber salad and we are gonna get right into it. Alright, let's go. And I'm back with my bowl. Okay, I'm gonna get right into it by cutting up the cucumbers. I'm back with my cutting board and knife and we're just gonna get right into it. So first you're gonna wanna get your cucumber because this is the main part of your salad. Open it up. So, you might want to give it just a little bit of a rinse. So just go over to your sink, rinse it off. Try not to drop your cucumber in the kitchen sink, because then you can get it dirty again, and it might bruise. Bruising isn't good for anyone, not even cucumbers. Alright, YouTube. Let's get started. I'm going to be using this chef knife to chop up this cucumber. Let's get a close-up. Alright, YouTube. Now let's get to chopping. Alright, YouTube. So, I'm going to start on this side actually, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop that out, chop the butt off, and then eat this raw. Not the best cucumber, I must say. Let's get back into it, YouTube. So, we will be chopping this cucumber up. Shoop, 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 shoop. Ah! Alright, YouTube. As you can tell, YouTube, I'm getting a bit of a cold, so if you hear me sniffling, and if you're wondering, why do you have a cold? Because, yeah, so, a cucumber salad is a perfect thing, and, very nice, summery. Don't drop your radishes under the fridge. I'm going to be giving these a little bit of a rinse because, as you can see, they look a bit dirty. Okay, YouTube, here we have our radishes. They look really nice, really red. Love the color red. Goes beautiful with the color green. You know this salad is going to look excellent already. Alright, let's get to chopping. Alright, YouTube. Next part of this recipe is, of course, the dressing. As you can see, I have my Windsor sea salt fine. I have my balsamic vinegar, splendido, and I have my extra light tasting olive oil. I've only gotten salt out right now because I personally don't like black pepper. I don't want it to be too garlicky, so I've gotten this piece of garlic, which I'm now going to chop up, so let's get back to the chopping board. You can use a garlic squisher. I'm now going to wash my hands. The recipe says 2 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, but I like things a little vinegary, so I might switch that up a little bit. If you guys are on a budget, use code you're gonna need a bowl, just any old bowl will do. And let's get going, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, so let's get started. I'm going to be putting 3 spoons of olive oil in this bowl. Get it in there. And 2.5 or next I'm going to be taking this sea salt and putting it in. I like my salads salty. Next I will be getting the garlic to put in here so we can get those flavors going. Alright, let's whisk that up together. What do you think, YouTube? Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Do it for the fam, YouTube. Do it right now, and as you can see here, I have my cucumber and radishes chopped up. I'm just gonna put them in this bowl. Kiva? Yeah! Alright, YouTube, let's get this going. I'm going to be getting these spoons and mixing it up. Now, this looks like a pretty mighty salad already, but we are not done, YouTube. I'm going to go get another radish and 1 ripe avocado. Alright, YouTube, I have my radish and my avocado. I'm going to be taking my avocado and cutting it. Hey! Perfect split! Would you look at that? Now I will be putting all of this into our bowl. Into the bowl they go. As it stands, the salad is looking pretty tasty. Tastes good. To end the salad, alright, I'm going to grab myself some feta cheese. Let's go, YouTube. Crumble it in there.